Hi everybody, Sean Mogensen here with Guarantee RV. I want to show you our 2017 Palazzo 36.1 340 horsepower coach. Hey, we're inside the 2017 Palazzo 36.1. Inside you'll see the overhead bunk. It's great for extra storage. It expands your sleeping capacity. As we move back, you'll see the couch that makes into a bed as well. You've got the dual stainless steel sink, 3-burner cooktop, convection microwave. This does have a large refrigerator and separate freezer. Your booth dinette, that also turns into a bed if you need for other seating. You can also use it a family night in the rain, watching movies, whatever you want. As you move back, we've got a wardrobe on the right side. You've got a stacker, washer and dryer. On the other side, you've got your half bath, mid bathroom. We move into the bedroom. You've got a giant wardrobe there on the driver's side, left side of the coach, queen size bed, nightstands on either side, and a full rear bathroom. You've got a single vanity, walk-in shower, your toilet, everything's back there. This coach is great for a family of 4. It's great for 2 people just wanting to travel the country. Hi everybody, thanks for taking a look at this 2017 Palazzo here at Guarantee RV. I'm Sean Mogensen. Any questions, call me directly, 541-780-4981.